I have a 1984 6.5 MCCK ONAN generator. I was going to replace the lead electrical shielded coil and spark plug wires. The prices for these are ridiculous. The parts numbers are ######, and ###. Can you tell me what I would have to do to switch this over to a RCCK setup? Thanks in advance for your assistance. Also, am I creating a hazard by doing this?
Hello, my name is I am going to assist you with this. You can convert your MCCK ignition over to the RCCK ignition for a fraction of the cost of an MCCK coil. The engines are identical. You will need part numbers, coil ###1, spark plugs ###2, also known as a Champion RH8C, condenser ###1, spark plug wires ###2. The points themselves will not need to be changed. But if this genset is mounted in a boat, it will not meet USCG safety standards.
Okay, thanks, the answer I was hoping for. Is there an electronic ignition option that may be more affordable USCG approved?
None that I am aware of. I did not say that you could not do the conversion, I was just letting you know that it is not USCG approved. A lot of people do make the conversion.
I understand, thanks so much for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.